I am telling you, hands down, this is the best homemade pizza you will ever have. This is my recipe. Do it for me, do it for you. You have to try it. San Marzano tomatoes from Italy. They're from the Pompeii region where the volcano blew up, and the ash in the soil gives the tomatoes there a distinct flavor, and they are delicious. This might even be the world's best pizza. In coming up with this pizza, I was inspired by Buca di Beppo's large pepperonis. These are premium sandwich pepperonis. Another key part of this pizza are the mozzarella balls. They are so just nice and fresh and light in flavor. They are full of flavor, unlike the bagged cheese that you get at the store. These mozzarella balls are just so flavorful and delicious. You will absolutely love them. Putting the cheddar on the crust makes for a nice cheez-it-like crust. Who wants to eat a crust that's just a big dough ball? Having the cheddar on the crust makes it almost like a Cheez-It cracker. It is delicious. I should patent that. I love a double cheese pizza as much as anybody out there, but this pizza is about quality instead of quantity. I was a skeptic at first too, but trust me, these high quality ingredients make it an awesome pizza. It's fresh, it's what you would get. This is better than what you would get at some gourmet restaurant. You gotta try it for yourself. With such simple few ingredients, the pizza has a nice clean taste. You're not left with a garlicky taste in your mouth. It's refreshing, and you're not left feeling heavy and stuffed when you get done. It's the perfect pizza.